driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Hey friends, thank you for joining me for today's all-day laundry and cleaning motivation video. As you can see, this is the way my laundry room is looking right now. The laundry is piling up. I'm not gonna lie, I let go a little bit and this is where we're at. And you guys know this can happen very quick as you're busy taking care or maintaining other areas of your house. So before we start doing laundry, we're going to get this taken care of really quick. Get this laundry room back in place so it's nice and clean here before we start our load. If you're new here, my name is Abra and I hope you're watching this video because you need some cleaning motivation or laundry motivation to tackle your loads, or you're here just to watch and soak up all the motivation for later. Either way, I'm so glad to have you here. Please remember to like this video and comment below how often you clean your laundry room, including your machines, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much.
I don't really care if I hurt your feelings. I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love you. Like I'm just a victim and not the evil feeling. So I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt.
This is what I use to clean my washing machine. It even has a spot to mark down each month that you've used it. But as you can see, I haven't been using it. But if you're someone that likes to keep track of things, this will come in handy. My machine doesn't have a self-clean option, so I'm just going to set it on mix and run it on the hottest temperature. This is going to take a while, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing while I clean the laundry room. What are you guys doing today? If you're doing any cleaning, comment down below the area you're cleaning in your house. And I would really appreciate it if today's video motivates you enough to have you join my growing YouTube family.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sun and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever?
this fabric softener cup holder or whatever it is, but it wasn't working. I'm not sure if it's supposed to come out, but to be safe, I just worked my way around it. Good trick if you want to get into those areas of your machine that are really hard to access. Just grab a soft washcloth, wrap it around a butter knife, and it will get the job done. But make sure you cover it because you don't want to scratch up your machine.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I do.
Now that everything looks nice and clean, we can start our first load.
It's like time flies, but it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on. I know by your tone, while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Who do you think you are? You say you wanna talk, but all I'm hearing is a monologue. Who do you wanna be? You say you're really deep, but I can tell you don't know what that means. You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. want boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come on, give me something real, doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest, that's all I want. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. I'll give you today to take me away. If you hear what I'm saying, you know to